So with paper 2, week 2, problem number 3, you're trying to find the length of CD. So here is D, and here's C, A, B. You're trying to find this length here. So what would be something that would be nice to know? It'd be nice to know all the angles. For sure, though, for sure it would be nice to know this angle up here, wouldn't it? Because if you knew this angle here, you'd also know this angle, wouldn't you? And then you could take 180 minus that to get this, and then you'd be able to find that no problem. So what we really need to do, actually an alternative way, let me just say this, I don't know if we'll do it, but we could split this down the middle. If you knew this angle on this side, you could find this length and double it. That's a good method too, if you want to do it that way. But we're going to find this angle up here first. All right, so we have the 5 over the sine of 40 is going to be equal to 7 over the sine of C. And when I cross multiply, I get sine of C is equal to 7 times the sine of 40 all over 5. And so what'd you get for it with 3 decimals? 7 sine of 40 over 5 inverse sine. What did you get? If you can do one more, that'd be 5. Okay. We'll just go with that. Might be overkill. So that's what angle C is if it's acute. Now you could do 180 minus that, but the problem with that is let's say this was obtuse, like 100 degrees. Could this be 100 degrees? So you don't have to worry about the ambiguous case here. This one's all set. So now I have this triangle. I know this is 64.145 degrees. This is 64.145 degrees. I know this is 5. This is 5. Boy, it would be really nice to know this angle here. Could you help me figure that out? What's 180 minus 2 times 64.145? How many degrees is that? Huh?
51.7.
51, give me 3 decimals.
It's just 61.145 times 2 is 128.5.
Okay, so this is going to be
51.7.
710. Is that right? Okay. So there's your angle here. And now if we want to know this length CD, all we have to do is go 5 over the sine of 64.145 degrees is equal to CD over the sine of 51.710 degrees. And CD is going to be equal to 5 times the sine, 51.710 over the sine of 64.145. And what'd you get? Make sure you're in degree mode, by the way, if you're talking degrees. .361. And you check in the units there. I don't see any meters, so I just would write units then. Double check the marks, 5 marks. There would be 1 mark for setting this up, 1 mark for getting the angle straight across, 1 mark for setting this thing up, and 1 mark for your answer. And I'm not sure why they would have 5 marks, where that 5th one is, but, oh, maybe the drawing. That might be your 5th mark. So you have your drawing and you put some numbers on there and you identified the fact that this thing is going, these two angles are going to be equal to each other. That's probably a mark. And you're going to know this angle here, angle B, so you could figure out CD. So 1, 2, 3, 4, diagram 5. Yeah.
So I guess my question is, like, this is not
Oh, yeah.